Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are healthy and happy to learn something new again. Today we are going to play bingo game. Yay! But how? We need to meet first, right? And play it together. But later at home, you can play with your sister, brother, or all your family members. And later, if we go to the school, we can play it again. Okay? And now we need to start the lesson. Mathematics Parallelogram Grade 5. Remember, last time we learned about the properties of a quadrilateral, right? Do you remember what the properties of quadrilateral are? Yes, a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Can you give me the example of quadrilaterals? What are they? What is this? Square. Good job. Rectangle. Parallelogram, trapezium, and rhombus. Today we are still going to learn about the angles of a quadrilateral. Before we continue, please prepare your mathematics textbook, a pencil, and an eraser. Now open your textbook, page 142. We are going to learn about the angles of a parallelogram. Look at the picture here. Did you remember what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Look at this one, line AB and DC, and then AD and BC. Next, remember again the properties of a parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Look at this picture first. Great job. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallels and equal sides. Remember, line PQ is equal and parallel to line SR. And then line PS is equal and parallel to line QR. Great job. And then we write the name of angles in parallelogram PQRS as well as the two pairs of parallel sides. This one, angle P, Q, R, and S. And then, what are the pairs of opposite angles in parallelogram? That's right. Angle P and angle R, angle Q, and angle S. Do you notice that? What type of the angles are the opposite angles? Angle P and angle R are obtuse angle. It means more than 90 degrees. Angle Q and angle S are acute angle. It means less than 90 degrees. Look at this picture. Acute, acute, obtuse, obtuse. So, it means we know that the angles P equals angle R and angle Q equals to angle S. We can say that the opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. Next one. Now, what are the two pairs of angles between the parallel sides PS and QR? They are angle P, angle Q, and then angle R and angle S. Great job. If we cut into two pieces and arrange them so that PS and QR are placed together, like this, they form a straight line. What is the sum of angles on a straight line? Did you remember? Great job, 180 degrees. Now we can say that angle P and angle Q add up to 180 degrees, or the total is 180 degrees. And angle R and S add up to 180 degrees. So the total of two angles is 180 degrees. Look at this one. Angle P obtuse, angle Q acute. Obtuse and acute add up to 180 degrees. One more. If we cut it in another way, like this, as usual, angle P and angle R are obtuse angle, angle Q and S are acute angles. So they form a right straight line also. Look at this one, angle S and P, angle R and Q. So angle S and angle P add up to 180 degrees. And angle R and Q add up to 180 degrees. Easy, right? Each pair of angles between two parallel sides of a parallelogram adds up to 180 degrees. So an acute angle and obtuse angle may add up to 180 degrees. Now look at this one, the conclusion. Parallelogram PQRS. Did you remember? Angle P equals angle R. Angle Q equals angle S. What else? Side by side. Angle P, obtuse and acute. Angle P plus angle Q equals to 180 degrees. And then angle Q and angle R, acute and obtuse, equals 180 degrees. And then angle R plus angle S equals to 180 degrees also. Angle S and angle P equals 180 degrees also. It's easy, right? Okay, let's do the practice on your textbook, page 144. Okay, you can try to do the practice by yourself and pause this video. And let's check your answer. Number 2A. Find the unknown marked angles in each of parallelograms. Number 2A. Find angle PQR. Look at this picture first. We know that angle RSP is 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Right? Remember, the opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Angle PQR and PSR are opposite. So angle PQR equals to angle PSR. So it means angle PQR equals to 70 degrees. Is it right? The opposite angle equals. Now to B. Find angle ABC. Look at this picture. Parallelogram ABCD. We know that angle BAD is 56 degrees. How to find angle ABC? Angle ABC and angle BAD add up to 180 degrees, right? That's why angle ABC equals to 180 degrees minus 56 degrees. The answer is 124. Look at this one. The point is side by side. The total is 180. Acute and obtuse. Next, number 2C. Find angle MQP and angle NMQ. Look at this picture first. We know that angle MNP is 132 degrees. Remember, the opposite angle are equal. The easiest one. Angle MQP, equals to angle MNP. That's why MQP equals to 132 degrees. It's the same, the opposite angle. And then NMQ and MNP adds up to 180 degrees. So we can subtract 180 degrees and 132 degrees to find angle NMQ. What is the answer? Correct. The answer is 48 degrees. Great job. Now the last number 2D. Find angle RQS. Look at this picture first. Before we find angle RQS, we need to find angle PQR first to help us. Angle PQR and angle SPQ add up to 180 degrees. So we can find angle PQR by subtract 180 degrees with 75 degrees. This one. So the answer is 105 degrees. After that, we can find angle RQS because we know angle PQS, this one PQS is 25 degrees. So angle RQS equals to angle PQR minus angle PQS. Angle PQR is 105 degrees and minus angle PQS is 25 degrees. So the answer is 80 degrees. Done. It's easy, right? If you are still confused, you can rewatch this video to get better understanding, okay? Now, please do the practice 1B on your workbook, page 135 until 136. Thank you for your attention. Good luck, do your best, and see you in the next materials. Bye-bye.